Hey, today we're going to talk about the difference between a physical and a chemical change. So basically, just to summarize it, a physical change is just something that changes its phase. For example, water freezing. I can have water go from a liquid phase, which this is a particle diagram for liquid, and once it froze, it would be in the solid phase, and this is how we do a particle diagram for a solid. Coincidentally, just to show for a gas, this is a review, but you might be getting this for the first time. This is the gas. Okay? Now, another example of a physical change is I could take something like this copper strip and I could bend it. Because remember, copper is a metal, metals are malleable. So this copper strip, as I bend it, if it could be changed back, it's a physical change. This is gaseous water, water in the gas phase or steam. All you have to do is cool it down and it becomes liquid water. All you have to do is cool this down even more and it becomes solid water or ice. These are all physical changes. When I bend this, I can bend it back. That's a physical change. Now, a chemical change, all it means is that it is something reacting. This is copper, and this is silver nitrate. Challenge question. Write down the formula for silver nitrate. Okay, I'm checking, by the way. So this silver nitrate and this copper is reactive. Now, I don't need to put it in here very long for you to see a reaction taking place. Maybe I do. But basically, you can see right on there, I have little pieces of a silver color that's forming on this copper. Another example of a chemical change is when iron becomes rusty. The iron plus oxygen in the air changes to iron oxide. So if you look now, I have a thin, very thin coat of silver on this copper strip. This darker color, even though it's not shiny like silver, it actually is pure silver. So if you did a lot of this, you could actually take it and sell it. Okay? So this copper has just undergone a chemical change with the silver nitrate. So anytime you see a reaction and it changes partners, it's a chemical change. So physical change is going to look something like this. Using a square as an example, this means solid. This means gas. Going from solid to gas is a physical change. Now if I had this, a square, let's say I had a square triangle, and it goes to square plus triangle, this is a chemical change. This is an example of a decomposition reaction. So anytime you have a reaction, it's a chemical change. Thank you.